Meaning of hardware dealer.
Hardware dealer.
Hardware dealer.
Hardware dealer.
Hardware dealer. The term hardware dealer refers to a person or business entity that sells hardware components, tools, and equipment used in construction, manufacturing, and engineering projects. Such dealers may specialize in a particular type of hardware, such as plumbing supplies or electrical equipment, or sell a wide range of hardware items. Hardware dealers may operate physical stores or online businesses, and they may also provide advice and technical support to customers. Overall, hardware dealers play an essential role in providing the necessary hardware components and tools for various projects and industries.